Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make restaurant style chow mein recipe. So let's get started. So first of all, take a kadai or a pan and fill it more than half with water. So the quantity of it is about 4 big glasses of water. So now after adding water, add a teaspoon of salt and refined oil to it. The oil will help to make them non-sticky. So let the water heat for some time. So now it's heated. Now we will add our chow mein noodles to it. Here I have used about 200 grams for it. It can be served to 4 to 5 people. Add them to your water. Now mix them gently. Make sure you do not break them, otherwise they will not be so long. Now let it cook for some time. After 2 to 3 boils, it is completely cooked. So now drain all the excess water from the noodles and wash it with clean water. So after washing it, add about 2 teaspoons of oil to it and let it sit for a few minutes. So now meanwhile, take a kadai or a pan and add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of mustard oil to it. You can use any oil of your choice. So after the oil is hot, add some roughly chopped onions to it. Saute the onions well with the oil and cook them for some time. Guys, make sure do not overcook them, otherwise the crunchiness will go. Now we will add some salt according to our taste. So after mixing the salt, we will add about 2 cups of cabbage to it. Here I have used roughly chopped cabbage. You can increase or decrease the amount of it as per your need. But as much veggies you will add to it, it will give it as much nice flavor. So now we will add some capsicum to it. And cook it for some time. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it and don't forget to leave a comment and give it a like. So after it's cooked, we will add some chopped carrots to it. Now mix it well. You can also add corns to it. Now add some black pepper according to your taste. I have used 1 teaspoon of it. Give it a good mix. Now I am going to add some ginger garlic paste. You can add it earlier while cooking the onions also. Mix it well. So now after it's well cooked, we will add some soy sauce to it. Here I have used about 2 teaspoons of it. If you want dark color of chow mein, you can add about 3 to 4 teaspoons. Give it a good mix. Now we are going to add our chow mein noodles to it. So here I have added noodles which we have prepared. Now using a fork or a spoon, give it a good mix. Now after mixing it, we are going to add some vinegar to it. I have used about 2 teaspoons of it. So now give it a good mix. So after mixing it, it's prepared. You can serve it to your family members and they will absolutely love it. So give this video a like and don't forget to leave the comment in the comment section. And if you are new, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.